Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you the best way to export your pictures after you are done working on them. So I didn't do anything on this one, I'm just using it for this video. So this is the picture, it's selected. You right click, export, or you can come to file and export. Either ways they work. So I like to, now this is the export location. I like to export my pictures in the same folder as the original photo. So but then I'll, I like this one, put in subfolder, filtered. So existing, if there are existing files, they will ask me, there will be a pop-up menu to ask me what to do, if I will rename or skip or anything. So file naming, the file naming is just default. Video, nothing about, there's nothing like that. File settings, JPEG, sRGB. Then the quality should be set to 100%. Now don't do this, don't limit file size. I limit my file size when I have like about 200 pictures and I just want them to be low. I want the size to be low, then I can just use this. But then if it's for a portrait picture, I don't use this, I just use 100 as the quality. So image sizing, I don't use this at all. Sharpening, I don't use this. Don't matter. Metadata, no. Then watermark, I have a watermark I use. So but in a portrait I don't use watermark. I use my watermark when I want to send pictures to someone to select. So that's when I use my watermark. So I'll do a video on how to create a watermark for Lightroom. So post processing, do nothing. After export, just do nothing. You can choose show in Explorer, but I just leave mine as do nothing. So and that's all. Then you can export. So it will export, and this is all guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.